This is Joy with Everything Diamond Painting. I'm glad you joined me. If you're new, welcome. I hope you like what you see. Tonight I'm going to do a little quickie video on a couple of paintings that I've finished, and I'm going to frame and seal. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we're back at the paintings, and this is Madame Chic I've completed. And this one, for no other reason, because there's not a name on it, I just call her Lady with the Hat. I am going to show you a little bit of the bling I put on Madame Chic. I know she's shiny enough, but I have them in my boxes, so I use the sparklers and the crystals. And so for her earrings, I've put some crystals in there. I don't know if you can see. Can you get trying to get a good shot of them. And then in her lips, I've got, so in the earrings, I have the silver crystals, silver sparklers. And in her lips, I've got red sparklers. And I've used these all from Diamond Painting with Sparklers, not Sparklets, from Tina. And I bought a sample pack from her of each one, squares and rounds. And I find I use them on everything now. And even in the flower, I put some around here on these little dark edges here. My fingers are moving slower than the camera. And I don't know, I'm trying to get up there. You could see them a little bit, right? There you go. Anyway, I'm going to be putting this one in a frame, and we'll cut off to that in a few seconds. This one, Lady in the Hat, she was kind of dull, so I decided I'd bling her up just a little bit. And so I used ABs on her, and I got ABs on her lips. And then her earring didn't show very well at all, so I put some ABs in her earring. Okay. And then some of the flowers here on her hat, I added some ABs also, just to give it a little bit more sparkly. Because she is so sparkly, it kind of blends in. But with the sealant I'm going to use, I don't know if it's going to dull it any, so that's why I wanted to show you that. Oh, the other thing I did, this is really cool. Her necklace, right here, those ABs, those purple ABs were not there originally. I went ahead and thought she needed a necklace to match the earrings, so I put them on. Isn't that cool? I'm so smart, so talented. Anyway, I'm going to take her, Madame Chic, and we're going to go to my little table to get her in a frame. Okay, I'll be right back. So I have found that all the paintings that I do, whether it's Diamond Art Club, Star, or anybody, the sizes drive me nuts. They go in they tell you the length, the widths and the heights are, out to where the edges of the borders are. But then when you're done with the painting and you want to frame it, you got to count from here to here and from here to here. And they are the oddest measurements. It drives me nuts. And I didn't feel like spending, $75 for a frame. So we had this one that I bought a while back and didn't use it. So I think it's going to work good. And went to the store, and because it's such an odd size, it's hard to find a frame. Okay, there we go. Painting's all glued on there. There we go. See, it's on. All right. So I am going to take the frame over here. Let me move this for a second. Whoops. Get that over there. And let me turn the frame upside down. Now, this table is a nice table to work with, but I am sitting on my knees here. So, if I fall over, I'm okay. So anyway, yeah, it looks, it goes right in there perfectly. Now the final judge would be once I get everything in here and see that she's perfectly even in here. There's one little tabby that's getting stuck on. There we go. All right. So let me push these down real quick. Only take me... Oh, you know what I forgot to put in? Ah, I forgot to put in the backboard. Let's get that in there. Can't do it without this. I think it goes this way. There we go. Now all is better. There. I'm such a klutz, especially on camera. There we go. Press those in there. Oh, that one won't go in for some reason. There we go. There we go. I think we got them all. All right. Okay, so now I can push them down. I hope the camera's picking up everything. I haven't had a chance to look at the laptop over there to see. All right. Yeah, we got a new laptop too because we just couldn't get our tablet or our phones to show me what I was doing very well. Couldn't get close-ups, couldn't get focusing, so we bought the new camera and bought the new laptop. Okay, ready? Ta-da! What happened? Ta-da! There she is. Madam Chic in the frame. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, see, the glare isn't that bad on that type of plastic. What do you think? I'm trying to get her straight. Is she okay? I think so. I think she's going to look great. Yeah, okay. I think she's going to look great. Look at that. All right. So there's Madam Chic in a frame. Inexpensive, odd size, do a matting, construction paper on the back, and there you have it. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to do that ceiling on the other project. I will be right back for that. Okay, now I'm going to seal my lady in the hat. And, oops, I should have tried to open I should have tried to open this before. Okay. I just poured 4 hands there. Okay. So I'm going to pour, I got these little green trays, like everybody has, that they get them in their kits. And I saw on a YouTube that Angie's Art Adventures, she was sealing some bookmarks and she used this green tray, and I thought that was a great idea. I never thought of doing something like that. And then when you're done with it, you just throw it away because, you know, we have millions of these. They come in lots of our kits. So I'm going to pour, and I'm using, there we go. Can you see that? Does it show? Yes. I saw this on, trying to think, what website. Oh, it's an English one. Can't think of her name right now. But she does Kids at 147. Can't remember what her name is. But anyway, she did some comparisons with this and a couple of other ones, and this was one of her #1 choices. So I'm going to try it. Well, I've tried it already, but on the other one I did it on, it kind of dulled them. So, but I put a heavy coat on that. So I'm going to try a lighter coat on this. That's why I wanted to show you the ABs on this first, because I don't know if it's going to dull it or not. So I thought, well, I'll give it another try. Okay. And I put this on my paper towel. Okay, I got an old placemat underneath here so I don't get it on the table. And I got my neat little brush, ordered that on Amazon. Got the sealer on Amazon also. Okay, we're just going to try a little bit. And I'm going to just brush a light coat on this. Okay. I don't want it to drip all over. So we're just going to do a slight. Oh, whoops. Got a sleeve almost going in there. I got whispered from the side there. Okay. Thank you, babe. All right. Let's see if we can continue on here. I'm trying not to. Okay. It's pretty big and it's slipping all over my table mat. And I'm putting a sealer on this because I noticed that when this is going to be on one of those magnetic frames. And I noticed when I touch the drills or move my hands across the drills, some of them were sticking up, even though as many times as I tried to roll and push all the drills down, I'm just afraid that they might start popping off. So that is why I'm putting a sealer on this. Normally, I don't. I have other paintings that are hanging up that have been perfectly fine. So I just want to get something on here just to, and protect it a little bit. I'm trying to be so neat with this. It's kind of hard. And let's see, get some down here. I think I'm going to seal my fingertips too. And we're moving again. All right, almost done. I don't know why, because I know everything you do on camera messes up. When you try to do this stuff without a camera, everything goes fine. It's just it's Murphy's Law. Okay. I think I got pretty much all on here. Like I said, I don't want to get a real heavy coat on because I'm afraid that it might dull. Kind of. The other painting, it shines up, but it's not sparkly like it used to be. So that's kind of disappointed in that. I don't want to ruin the ABs. Okay, I think I got it on there good enough. So we're going to set this aside and I'm going to let this dry a little bit. And then I'll be back to close tonight's video off. See you in a bit. Okay, my lady with the hat has dried. Let's pick her up and see here. Okay. Well, you can still see the ABs a little bit, I think. It did kind of dull it up. She's more shiny now than sparkly, I think. So, you know, I may not use this sealant again. I'll have to look around. You can still see the AB in her eye if I show it right. Anyway, it's going to be fine, and I'll work with it. And now I'm going to put the magnetic frames on it and put it on the wall. So there you go. I tested that out, and so I think now I'll have to maybe look for another type. And you know, me, I always experiment and find new products. So okay, well, I'm going to stop here for a second, and I'm going to get more comfortable in a chair, and I've got a little surprise coming up for you, and I think you'll want to get in on it. Okay. Okay, this is what my lady in the hat is going to look like hanging on my wall. I got it on those magnetic hangers, and she's sparkly, just not quite like she was before. And I still see the ABs on there. So we're good to go on that. So she's going to go on the wall soon. Okay, this is what you've all been waiting for. I'm going to do a giveaway on my Facebook channel, Diamond Painting with Joy. And how you enter is you're going to have to join, of course, but all you have to do is answer the questions and you're automatically in. And just comment on there, please. And what I'll do is I'll just number from 1 to whatever in order of how the names have shown up. And then I'll do a random number pick. And whoever has that number is going to win the item. So are you ready? You want to see what the item is? I think it's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. They're magnifier glasses. And they're LED. So there's a light on there with 2 settings. So you have a medium and a bright. It comes with 5 different glass, what do you call them? Glasses, I guess, from 1 to 5, so depending on the strength that you like. And it comes with a headband, so that, you know, if you're like me, you like to have that, you don't like them slipping off. It's, what else did I say? I think that's it, and it's valued at $21. So this is what you're going to get, and it's good for anybody. I mean, you don't even have to be diamond painting to use them, any close work that you want to do. So, you know, it's good for everyone. If you want to win it and give it as a gift, hey, that would be a neat idea. Okay, so I guess that wraps it up. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye, and be safe out there. And like everybody says, wash your hands, and we'll be back. On my next one, I'm going to do an unboxing. I haven't done that for a while, so stay tuned for that. Going to be a good one. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.